Si predstavljate svet brez nadležnih muh? V dunajskem laboratoriju jih gojijo na milijone. To je le ena izmed mrež z muhami. Ne želijo jih iztrebiti, pač pa sterilizirati in preprečiti nenadzorovano parjenje.
Flies are sterilized using either gamma radiation from a cobalt source or using X-ray from an X-ray generator.
Izločijo samice.
A genetic sexing system. A small portion of the eggs are kept at normal temperature to maintain females to restock our colony. But most of the eggs are heat treated so that we kill the female embryos in the egg stage, that we do not waste effort in rearing the females.
Pod nadzorom jih redijo.
Everyday eggs and we see it on the diet, in the olive diet. And in this diet, after 10 days, the larvae start to pop out. Larval date to pupa, they take 24 hours, and the whole pupation period was 10 days. We also put them again in the adult cage to continue their life cycle.
Nato jo pošljejo v naravo. V Španiji, na Floridi ter v skoraj vsej južni in srednji Ameriki so na takšen način sadno muho spravili pod nadzor. Brez uporabe pesticidov, podobno oljčno muho.
You may want to suppress the population below the economic threshold so that there's no longer any significant damage to the crop, or you may want to completely eliminate the pest.
V Sloveniji tovrstnega programa nimamo, saj drevja škropimo s pesticidi. Pri južnih sosedih takšno pomoč kmetijstvu že uveljavljajo.